Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your password on Craigslist. Now let's begin. Well, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, to log in, it's quite easy. Initially, what I would like to do is simply go to settings. On the navbar, right next to the post, you'll see a button like this that says ACCT. Click on it right now. And as you can see, this right here is my account. From here, what I would like to do is simply go to settings. The button's right here next to searches. I'm just gonna click on it. Once you're here, do note that you can change your email address, passwords and everything. Right now we only want to change the password, so let's click on this change password button right here. Now it's gonna ask you to either go passwordless or simply enter your old password and new passwords right now. I'm gonna change my password right now. And as you can see, I have filled out the forms. That's my old password and new password. Once everything's okay, simply hit on change password. And then as you can see, our password has been changed. That's how we change a password in Craigslist. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.